Hello friends, welcome to Python video series. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about Python pip. So what is pip? Pip is a package manager for Python packages or modules. If you have a Python version 3.4 or later, then pip is included by default. Then what is package? A package contains all the files you need for a module. Modules are Python code libraries you can include in your project. Let's say if you want to use some library which does not comes in Python by default, then you have to install that package by using pip command. So if you want to know more about pip, then you can visit a website. It's called PyPy.org. So if you go to browser, and if you try to browse pypy.org, then here you can see currently almost more than 281,000 projects are hosted, right? Or packages are available which you can use in your project, right? Now thing is that how we can check whether pip is already installed on my machine or not. So for that you have to open your command prompt. So just I'm going to open command prompt, and here you have to write pip and then hyphen version, right? If you press enter, then here you can see pip is already installed on my machine. Version is 23.3, right? Now thing is that if I want to check what are the packages are already installed on my machine, then how we can check? So for that you have to use the command pip list, and this will list out all the installed packages along with its version. Right here you can see these are the packages installed on my machine. Let me clear this terminal. If you want some help command, right, how we can use the pip command, then easily you can see by using, just you need to use the pip and then hyphen help, and if you press enter, then here you can see it will instruct you how to use pip command. Basically, first of all you have to write the pip, and then you need to write the command can be install, download, uninstall, and many more commands are there. These are the any of the command you can use at a time. And after that, in options section you have some general option. These are the options you can use, right? Now let me clear this terminal. Now let me show you one of the very popular packages that is called NumPy, which is a beautiful basically library which deals with the arrays. If you want to create a single or multi-dimensional array, then we can use NumPy library. We can use NumPy does not basically comes or by default with the Python installation. You have to install this package explicitly. So here you can see uh, on Python package index website, I can see NumPy current version, and this is the command to install this library. Now let's say I would like to use NumPy. I would like to install it, but before that let me show you. Let's say I would like to check whether this library is already installed on my machine or not. Then how we can check? So I will go to the Python, just write Python on command prompt. So your terminal will be you will be navigated to the Python terminal, and here I am going to use like I would like to import NumPy, and let's see what happens. If I try to import NumPy, then it is saying module not found error, no module named NumPy. So it is saying that there is no NumPy library installed on a machine. So just let me exit from this Python terminal by calling exit function. Now I come back to my command prompt. Let me clear this terminal. Now I'd like to install this library. So to install this library, you have to use the command pip install and then library name, and that is NumPy that I would like to install, right? So this is going to install. Just wait few seconds, and here you can just successfully install NumPy, right? Now if you list out all install packages, then you'll see NumPy is also in the list, right? Here you can see NumPy has been installed. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the again Python terminal. So I will write Python and I navigated on the Python terminal. Now I'm going to import NumPy uh, library, import NumPy, and if I press enter, then here you can see there is no error. That means NumPy library is installed on my machine and I can use while creating any script or uh, writing some code, right there we can use now NumPy library, right? Now let's say I would like to uninstall NumPy. Then how we can uninstall? So first of all, let me exit from the Python terminal. So I will call exit function, and now I come to the command prompt, and to uninstall any installed library you have to use pip, and then uninstall command you have to use uninstall, and then of course uninstall, and then you have to give the package name, in our case NumPy, right? If I press enter, then NumPy is gonna install. But before uninstalling it, package manager will ask your permission, so type Y and press enter. So here you can see successfully uninstall NumPy. And now if I list the packages in using the command pip list, then you'll find NumPy is not available in the list, right? So that's how you can uninstall any pre-existing or pre-installed package, right? So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.